Depop bundles really popped off. Please don't kill me for the bad dad jokes. During quarantine, because I think a lot of people were trying to find out ways to like make money from home, and they just really exploded. The first bundle I remember hearing about was the iGirl bundle. Those kind of really kickstarted the whole thing over on Depop, which I think is amazing. Always wanted to get my hands on one, but they were kind of expensive and exclusive and just never felt the need for it. So with all these new sellers creating cute little styled Depop bundles, I figured why not order myself a couple of them and compare like a lower end Depop bundle to a higher end Depop bundle. Yeah, sadly I ordered a middle range bundle, but she did not arrive. I have the bundles here. I just like took them out of the initial packaging, but we're gonna open them up. So we're gonna start with the lower end one. Ooh, I see sequins. Hi Sarah, thank you so much for trusting me to style you. All of these pieces are vintage from the 90s. The bag is luxury from Bloomingdale's. I normally don't include a bag, but I felt it was needed to complete the look. For cold weather, all of these pieces would be great layered. I did ask for like the 90s style bundle. I just thought that would be safest across the board. I think that's like where my style leans the most. First here we have a pair of pants, and these are cool because you guys know I've been loving pinstripe pants, but I don't actually have any in like a nice tan nude shade. Ooh, this is a small rise. The zipper, it's very low. I don't think I specified for not low rise because you guys know I've been kind of actually somewhat okay with lower pants recently. It's usually pants like this when I find them at the thrift store. They're around like $8 to $12, so happy I got those included. Then we have the two little tops in here, so let's open it up. Okay, I see something funky and something a little bit more neutral. Okay, top number one by the brand No Boundaries. It's a juniors, and I mean, that's fine. I shop in the junior section sometimes anyways. It's just this really pretty blue. I don't know if it's gonna be off the shoulder, if it's just like a boat neck, stretchy top. Definitely not something I would pick up at the thrift store just because it is a little bit more boring, and I don't love off the shoulder items. However, it's not her fault. I didn't specify that. I think I said like no velvety tops or like neon or anything of that sort. But I think the colors of these could go really nicely together. But this, I think I'm gonna prefer much more. I see a groovy pattern. Ooh, and it's a V-neck. Again, something I wouldn't gravitate towards probably at the thrift store, but I think this could be cool. We could probably also wear it backwards. Oh, there's a couple other things in here, so that's super cute. I feel like all bundle people kind of like throw in a little assortment of accessories. Generally, these things just come from Amazon. I'll probably end up just tossing these in one of my Depop orders because I'm not really, I think I'm too old for these things. The bag is really cute. It's definitely similar to something that I already have, so I'll probably be putting on my Depop. However, it is missing a ton of sequins. If I saw this at the thrift store, it's something I definitely wouldn't pick up just because for me, I like getting things that aren't damaged or things that I can fix easily. I appreciate it, even though she doesn't throw these in normally, and she did say we could layer some of these things. So I guess this could be cute with like a white turtleneck, thin thing layered underneath. Let's go try this on. Praying that the pants fit or else we have a catastrophe on our hands. But overall, honestly, I paid 35 bucks for this, so I can't complain. But here is the first option. We have the fun top on and the pants fit. Woo! I think the top looks cute with it. It's not like the best option. I think the patterns kind of clash a little bit, and I definitely need a jacket with it. So since I live in Canada, it would have been nice if she sent over like a longer sleeve top, because that could have been a little bit more fitting, but it's okay. I've got enough jackets realistically. I think this really ties the look together, and we got the little purse. Okay, so here we have top number two. Can't really tell if it's supposed to be worn off the shoulders. The length is perfect because it actually covers like that awkward low rise area, which is kind of why I never want to get back into low rise pants. And I just have it paired with these chunky boots again. And honestly, I feel like I kind of like this top better. Overall, not bad for 35 bucks. I almost feel like this is slightly unfair, so take everything I say with a grain of salt because May truly spoiled me. Hi Angel, thank you so much for your support with the bundles as well as with my page in general. I've been looking up to you for quite some time. OG Thrift Queen. And it's so special for me to be able to style some outfits for you. All these pieces remind me of you and can be worn with pieces I'm sure you already have. With love, May. So cute. She sent me other things that I will use as like an unbiased opinion and just throw them in after, because I want to go through like what she would generally send to one person. If you are to pay $150, which is a lot of money, obviously, I'll convert that to US right here so you guys know, because our dollar is atrocious. I know the Canadian thrift stores are hella expensive, and I know the struggle just to get there. We don't have as many, so whether you're going by bus, Uber, driving, gas, all that kind of stuff, thrift trips all around cost a lot of money, and that's why I can justify purchasing from a Depop seller that's Canadian, because I know the struggle of the time and money that you invest into it. I trusted her fully with styling me. I told her just do whatever you want. First of all, she threw in these two accessories, which I feel like would go perfectly with this look. We have a claw clip, and then she actually sells her own line of accessories. So we have these really cool kind of like 70s shades. I actually haven't put these on yet, and they look really fun. I'm clearly feeling myself right now. Anyways, let's get into the outfit that she sent over. So we have a pair of snake print pants, and these, again, these look kind of small. I'm hoping I can get myself into these. I did send them my measurements and all that kind of stuff, so everything should fit properly. They do seem vintage because they have that very thin waistband, the almost like non-existent waistband. They're kind of like a cropped boot cut, which is my favorite cut of pant right now. So she threw in a little black tee. This is just from George, from the Walmart brand, but this looks like the perfect baby tee fit. She sent over this Esprit collection cardigan, which I love vintage 90s Esprit. I could definitely see Monica and Friends wearing something like this, and I think this would be super cute as just like a shirt styled with a bunch of accessories. The glasses, I'm excited to put that on. I feel like it's gonna fit perfectly. And she also sent over this amazing, oh, is this Coach? Oh my god, she spoiled me, guys. She spoiled me. I went through a big backpack phase a little while ago, but my backpacks were butt-ass ugly, so I got rid of them. But this changes the game. Dora, but the adult version, going off to the thrift store. Well, let's go try this one on. All right, so we have on the first look, and the pants fit as well. Skirt is a little bit tight, but honestly, it's okay. It's not like it's really accentuating my arm fat, so we can live with that. Ooh, I like this. This is so cute and put together. Okay, I feel like I could walk out the door right now. Like someone calls me, they're like, hey, let's go get coffee. COVID's over. Let's go. I'd be good to go. Let's go shopping. Let's go to the thrift store. I feel super cute and like ready to take a cute picture in this. So I love that this is a full, complete, winter approved ensemble. May, you killed it. You really killed it. So now that we've got that over with, I want to share with you guys the other things that she sent over. She truly did spoil me. This is an outfit that I am very excited about, but also very scared for, because it involves a tiny mini skirt. So my butt is definitely gonna be hanging out. I need to watch my angles when I'm filming this one, but whatever. This is a Miss 60 skirt. And then she sent over this amazing sweater, which is very on trend. It's got like the earthy, warmer tones, and it looks nice and long, so it'll probably sit nicely with that skirt if I wear that skirt a little bit lower. Okay guys, I never thought I'd be able to pull off a skirt like this, but this is why these bundles are so much fun, because honestly, I love this. These boots, this is giving me kind of like a hybrid Y2K 70s vibe, which I've kind of been feeling recently. I tied it in with the clips. I feel super cute. Oh, I almost forgot about the bag. I guess we should do this with this look and what else? Let's do black sunnies. This is so much fun. We're doing virtual styling, and this is like the funnest concept ever. Then this outfit is probably the most me, the most safe Sarah outfit. The first thing is this fleecy hoodie, and then she sent these to me on Instagram and was like, these are so you have to have them, and it made me so excited for this bundle. So they are these Justice flared leggings, yoga pants if you will, blue tie-dye pants, and I am obsessed with these. I literally am obsessed with these. I was waiting for this bundle to arrive just so I could put on this outfit. Go with that. To wrap it up, she sent over this little fluffy bag, which I think is so cute. I don't actually have any white purses, and I believe that she has a seamstress thrift flip these for her. The level of comfort I'm feeling right now is just unmatched. And lastly, she sent over more sunnies. Let me throw them on real quick. And then she was so kind and sent over some goodies from her jewelry collection. And I guess like what I was trying to say at the beginning is some of these Depop sellers actually like make jewelry, or they thrift flip things, which I think is a really great way for them to like advertise their business a little bit extra. Kind of, I feel like how iGirl really popped off. I think sometimes they do throw in some like extra little pieces, but these I'm so stoked on because she sent me a pair of silver cherry earrings, a pair of silver flower hoopy earrings, and this chain necklace that has my name on it. And I am such a gold girl, but I've always kind of loved both metals, and just kind of when I decided to invest in pieces, I went with gold because that's what I was feeling at the time. And for necklaces, I just felt like it was more my speed. But lately I've been styling some outfits with like jackets that have silver hardware or hats that have silver hardware, and I really wish that I had silver pieces to tie in with those. So when she sent this over, I was so excited. These pieces look stunning. I know she like custom makes everything, so if you want to put your name on something or whatever, you can do it. I don't really want to claim a winner because they were both awesome, and I just wanted to show to you guys that there are truly options out there. You don't need to break the bank on a bundle, but if you don't have access to thrift stores or you feel like you're not the greatest at thrifting, definitely hire someone to go and be your personal stylist off of Depop, because I think it's a great, sustainable, fun way to shop. Great to give as a gift too. If you have someone that's like hard to shop for their birthday or something like that, this is a really cute gift idea. Make sure you're subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram because I'm definitely gonna be putting on these outfits and taking pictures now that I have cute outfits styled for me. It's great. Thanks guys, and thank you to both these Depop sellers. I love ya, and I'll see y'all all in my next video.